A Rhode Island rivalry tipping off for the first time since 2017 as Providence gets set to host Brown in a Sunday afternoon run in Amica Mutual Pavilion.
I want to see our response tonight, how tough, how physical, how nasty we play. We should have a big-time edge. A big-time edge. All right, let's go.
Five on the shot clock. Odoro spinning, puts it up in the first bucket of the game for Providence. Carter fouled on the three and gets it to fall. Pierre up top, the lob. Oh, Rafael Castro closes the lead. Hopkins from the nails. Pretty little jumper. Hopkins slashing through the lane, the bucket and the harm. Lilly to control. Poked away from behind though. Hopkins, 3-on-1. Odoro pivoting, finishing, and taking the foul. Carter down the floor. Beautiful pass by the Friars. And it is all Providence. 37-13. And coach, it's the defense getting it done for the Friars.
The physicality of Providence and the half-court defense has made it almost impossible for Brown to get a good shot.
Gaines from outside, though. That'll help pad the lead.
Yeah, that's a big answer.
Duro flushes it home. Knocking him to the ground. That's like Floyd. Ooh, and the flush by Hopkins.
Finish up this semester strong. Way to finish the job and get it done.